Hello, my name is Peter, and I'm going to demonstrate as best as I can on how to use an air fryer. Now, I'm still a beginner, I'm still learning, and blah blah blah, but I'm going to do my best. This right here is a gourmet air fryer. Here's a better look at it. A gourmet air fryer. It says gourmet. And now what I want to do is, these are drawers. Now with these drawers, you can, there's little things here, grills, where you put it in the, put it in there. Now, as well as there's baskets. If you want to make potatoes or fries and you want to put it on a basket, you take this drawer out with the grill inside and you put the basket in here. Just like that. And then you can put fries in there and stuff, or potatoes, or whatever you're making. Then, the thing is, the plug, the most important part, because you can't use a air fryer without the plug, without it being on, plugged in. So, I'm gonna plug it in, and you see, it goes beep, beep. Let me do that again. Put it in. And it goes beep, beep. And now, there's buttons on here. There's a button here to turn on the power. See, and now as you can see, there's air fryer. If you want to heat up your air fryer first. So if you want to fries or potatoes, something, put the air fryer on. 200 degrees Celsius, it's about right. And then you press this to start. But we're not going to do, I'm not going to make anything new just yet. So I'm just showing you. And there's a roast, there's a broil grill, there's a bake, there's a keep your garden or something. And there's dehydrate, there's reheat. There's a lot of buttons that you can use. And you can make a lot of things in the air fryer. You can make fries, potatoes. I made little potatoes last time and they was delicious and it makes it nice and crispy. Now you can heat up pizza slices in here, or you can heat up anything. But like I said, I'm still learning. I'm still a beginner. But the best thing to do, if you don't know, if you want to know how to use it properly, go under YouTube and search how to use an air fryer. Or there's the book, the pamphlet book thing, that it says, how to use the air fryer, and what you can make in it, and like I said, there's many things you can make. So, hope this helps. And there's a lot of different air fryers that you can buy. I got gourmet, but I didn't buy it. I got it as a present, in which I think I'm thankful for that because it's really awesome to use. And yeah, and you can even make chicken fingers in here, or heat up chicken fingers and chicken and stuff. But hope this helps. They come in different prices, different styles, different colors, different styles, and yada yada yada. And yeah, so um, have fun with your air fryer if you're just getting you one, and if you're just learning, take it one step at a time. Don't rush into everything. All of us just like that, and yeah. Anyways, that's it for now. But keep cooking, 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 cooking. And you can sing when you cook. I can sing when I cook. I can make the ring ding ding. Anyways, thank you and have a wonderful and awesome day. And remember, keep cooking.